Alright, so in this part of the tutorial we're gonna add in administrator. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put in the admin field here. Then we're gonna go into migrations file in the database folder. And inside here we are going to create a new field, which is gonna be a boolean. And that's gonna be called isAdmin. And then we're gonna say default 0, and we're gonna say nullable. And what we can do now is we can actually go into our terminal. Then we can run a PHP artisan migrate fresh. So now we have nothing in our database. So every time a user sign up, we will have the isAdmin field here, where this will be 0, and then we can add it to 1 in the database, and then you'll be an administrator. So if we go in and register a new user by going in here, and then add in the website here, and then add in some password. Right, so now when we register, this should work. So if we then go into our database, which will be in here if we just refresh. Yes, so we have this which is 0. Now we're gonna add it to 1. And then in the next part of the video, we are gonna go in and customize the home page, so it will have the cards and all of that, which we are gonna need. And we are also gonna get in and add admin minibars. So in this part of the tutorial is very short because we are not gonna do anything else than just adding the field and setting it to 0 as a default. And then in the next part, I'm gonna show you how to actually check if it's an administrator or not. So just before we end this tutorial, let's go in and create another user, which is gonna be not gonna be the administrator. So we can go in here, then we can say HTTP and then we can just gonna test it for the next time. So basically we'll have some minibar options here where it will be one for the administrator and one for just the normal user that's signed in, which then will allow us to see the difference. And the reason why we're gonna have the administrator part is so if you're gonna create a new blog post, it's only gonna be an administrator that will be allowed to do that. And then if you are a normal user, you'll be able to comment and you'll be able to get a profile page, which we will do later on too. So this will be a very simple user permission system. There's not going to be anything complicated over it because at the moment we are just going to focus on the blog part and not the permission part. But if you want me to make a video about permissions in Laravel, feel free to leave a comment below and hit the like button and click subscribe if you want to watch more of the content I'm making.